Hi guys, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a capsule wardrobe video. I am very excited for this one. I do a lot of basics videos and I've never really done like a capsule for a season, so that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. I picked out 25 pieces from my wardrobe that I thought would be perfect pieces for a complete winter capsule that you could wear so many different ways and get so many different outfits out of each piece by mixing and matching in completely different ways. For this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to list out the 25 pieces and, you know, hopefully you have similar pieces that you could work with just to get a lot of ideas. And then what I'm going to be doing is styling up outfits afterwards. So I'm just going to get to it, styling outfits here and there and everywhere with all of those pieces. So if you guys want to get a lot of that inspo, stick around towards the second half of the video and you can just see the numerous different ways that you can mix and match this stuff because I'm going to be going to town. Alright, so for a winter wardrobe, we're going to be starting off with some coats. So I would recommend two different kinds of coats for your winter wardrobe. Number one being a good dress coat, something you could dress up for nights out or things like that. Also great for those warmer winter days as well. So I love just a classic camel coat. That is going to be piece number one. Piece number two, for all of my friends who live in frigidly cold climates like I do, you definitely need a parka in your wardrobe. So I think that is definitely an essential to have to mix in and out with all of your outfits. Number three is going to be a pair of jeans. So I'm going to be choosing a pair of darker blue denim that I have here. I just love darker shades in the winter months. Number four is going to be a black dress pant. Number five is going to be a black slip dress. I think these are great pieces for the winter time, for all year round really, because you can really layer them up in the winter, which is great. Number six is going to be a pair of plaid pants. Number seven is going to be a black mock neck top, something that's great for layering or also just a great standalone piece. Number eight, we're going to be picking up just a basic blouse. So this is just a basic black blouse here. Number nine is a white button-up, classic just white button-up top. Number 10 can be a statement top. So I think it's always nice to have somewhat of a statement to mix in and out of some of your outfits, to have that print or that pattern or some texture, whatever the case is. Number 11 is going to be a knit sweater. So I have a very basic cream colored knit sweater, which goes extremely well with a lot of different things. Number 12, a gray turtleneck sweater. I'm a huge sucker for turtlenecks in the colder months, so we love that. Number 13, a cardigan. Number 14, a black blazer. Number 15, moving into the shoes, so I'm going to be picking out a pair of snow boots, another essential for all of my friends who live in cold climates with a heck of a lot of snow like I do. 16 is going to be a pair of ankle boots, and number 17 is going to be a pair of knee-high boots. Now onto some bags. Number 18, we'll pick out a brown bag. Number 19, a black bag. I think those are both great bag options that can go with numerous different outfits. Number 20, a black belt. Number 21, I'm going to pick out a beret. I think it's nice to have a mix of different hats to kind of switch up your looks a little bit. And then number 22, a basic winter hat, so your toque. Number 23, a pair of mittens or gloves. Number 24, you want to have a big chunky scarf or some sort of scarf to go along with your looks. And number 25, a pair of tights. So those are great for layering under pants if it's really cold, and also when we're wearing our slip dress, we need tights to be covering up our legs. So those are the 25 pieces that I have included in this winter capsule. Now I'm going to be sharing with you a bunch of different outfits. Let's get right into it.
Why am I feeling like I want you to be mine, and I want you to be mine. And I want you to be mine.